Do you want to grow healthy roses in your garden? Today we're diving deep into the art of rose gardening. We'll uncover the key steps to nourish these beauties, and by the end of this journey, you'll be a rose-growing pro. So, are you ready to transform your garden with beautiful roses? First things first, your roses need the right spot. A location bathed in at least 6 hours of daily sunshine is ideal. The soil should be well drained to prevent waterlogging, ensuring your roses thrive. Remember, a good start is half the battle won. Now that you've found the perfect spot, it's time to plant and water your roses. Start by digging a hole wide and deep enough for the roots to spread comfortably. Remember, roses need room to breathe, so ensure there's enough space between the plants for good air circulation. When it comes to watering, go deep. It's better to water thoroughly once a week than to give them a shallow sprinkle every day. This encourages the roots to grow deeper, strengthening your roses. Good watering habits are the key to happy, healthy roses. Let's move on to pruning and fertilizing, two crucial steps to keep your roses blooming beautifully. Regular pruning not only encourages new growth, but also helps maintain the shape of your rose plant. And it's not just about chopping off the old, it's a chance to shape your rose's future. Moving on to fertilizing, using a balanced rose fertilizer is essential. It provides those all-important nutrients that keep your roses healthy and vibrant. With regular pruning and proper fertilizing, your roses will be the envy of the neighborhood. Growing healthy roses may seem like a challenge, but with the right tips, it's entirely possible. Remember, the spot you choose matters as much as how you plant and water. Pruning and fertilizing are just as crucial to your rose's health. Each step plays a significant role, and the beauty of your roses is a reflection of your care. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening guides. Happy gardening!